I'm going to end with a fun question for you, Rich. What's your favorite piece of retro technology that makes you smile?
I've been thinking about this for days, and I was like, I don't, I want to say something like, "Oh, I drive a manual transmission," or "I listen to vinyl," or something that would make me actually sound cool. Um, but I realized this: the only piece of retro technology that I really that makes me smile are dry erase boards. And recently just started to go back into the office occasionally, and there's a whiteboard there. There are markers, and all of a sudden, we're up there writing on the board, and that makes me smile because ultimately, it's about people, communicating with people, and it's still the best way of doing it as far as I'm concerned.
Love it. And it's not the same using the Teams or Zoom whiteboard as it is just to get that marker and that smell. It's just, I love it. It's a great thought.